Andhra Premier League.
Cracking shot, teasing the fielder, should have been stopped. That's a 4.
Really exciting to see what he does here. Tries to sweep it this time. The fielder will have to do quite a bit. Just gets stuck. He did try and get in the dive, but that runs away for a boundary.
Slashes are in the gap through extra cover. There was always 4 written all over it. Not the greatest of deliveries, and Himakar will not miss out. This is high. And that's over mid-on. And that will race away for another boundary. Back-to-back 4s for Himakar. He's turning it on. And this is turning out to be a good over. The stump goes cartwheeling. Sudarshan gets his man. A muted celebration with a bit of a stare. And Himakar has played a very, very ordinary shot. First wicket here for the Kakinada Kings.
Unnecessary. Trying to improvise. Just gets the leg stump, and he says,
Continue. Nicely played. That's in the gap. Beats the fielder at square leg. That'll run away for a 4. Hemant gets his first boundary. And he's been welcomed by a mighty, huge 6 that has gone into the stands. And that's the GMR maximum as well. He's miscued this one. Cries of catch it. Fielder will have to take that distance and run, and he does a spectacular job of covering a lot of ground and taking a very fine catch in the deep. Ravi Kiran with that effort. Hemant has to depart, and Sheikh Kamaruddin strikes in his first over.
Wasn't looking easy at all. He had to cover a lot of yards for that. He runs and runs hard to take a perfect catch with his eyes on the ball.
Just over KS Bharat. That got some glove, gets off the mark.
Nicely cut, beautifully cut for 4. No chance for the point fielder. Give him ample width. Rock back and cut it. That's nicely played. Very nicely played. Very welcome boundary for Bhima.
Since the last boundary as well, tries to sweep him on the leg side and will dissect those 2 fielders. And after a long time then, the first boundary does finally come in here.
Goes for the big one on the onside. That's a massive strike. That's a GMR 6 from the blade of Shravan. Against the turn, but that's a beautifully executed shot from him.
Yeah, he's understood that now is the time to go. If not, now. Goes once again in the same area. This time just shot off the fielder, who lets it go for a boundary as well. Then the boundaries as well came in. And yeah, one more. This time a GMR 6 of the match. Fantastic stuff here from T. Shravan. You needed one player to access that.
What a shot. That's a quality shot. He's really good playing that shot. We saw him in the last wicket. Has been a good one. Once again, pulling a touch shot there. Oh, that's going to be a 4 as well. Should have been just a single or a couple of runs.
Ravan this time picks it up really nicely. And that's a GMR 6 of the match. Fantastic. It's out of his bag.
Yeah, he knew straight away the fielder had come inside the circle, but the connection was too good. It was going on the onside, beautifully picked up there. Always in control of that shot, and it's got into the stands.
One more big hit probably off the edge, and one bounce for the boundary. And that's it then. He brings up his 50. T. Shravan in a much needed encounter in a do-or-die match. You needed someone to step up, and Shravan steps up for his team. He says, watch me play and remember the name. So he...
Top, lovely shot. And is that a 6? They might be checking on that.
Tries to improvise and does that really well. Much better this from Revanth Reddy. And he reaches to a much needed 50 as well. A 96-run partnership here that's building for the Bhimavaram Bulls. And Manikanta is going to be under the pump here.
Very fine effort. He's played really well. 51 of 37.
This time on the off, there's a fielder coming underneath it and takes an easy catch. Tapaswi with the catch, an improvisation from Manikanta, slower delivery, and a Ravan falls prey to it. He's got to keep going left, right, and center.
Yeah, once again was a backup lane delivery and trying to just ease it on the outside, but Tapaswi, a really good catch as well.
It's gone up in the air. There's a fielder coming underneath who takes a catch. 2 wickets fall in this over. And Satwik comes in. Satwik goes out as well. This is a big over for the Kakinada Kings. Another wicket.
Yeah, didn't get hold of that one. Going for the pull shot. Intent was to just clear the field up. Kamaruddin, the fielder, is taking that regulation take as well. And Manikanta once again is.
Oh, that's nicely played. He's been a pick of the ball batter so far. Oh, good running bit in the wickets. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He was not looking to come for the two, whereas Yuan was running back for the second. He was running into the danger edge, expecting the ball to come to him, come towards him. Look at him. Look. Oh, it was directed. He's a goner. He'll have to walk back. That's a big blow. Back-to-back 3 wickets. They were 139 for 2, and now they're 143 for 5. And the main batter who was scoring runs, Shravan, is back to the dugout. Out for 58, 143 for 5.
And this is wise here. Excellent innings of Shravan. They're really not expecting that throw to come to him. Sudarshan doing the smart thing of letting that ball go. Even a dive couldn't stop. And that all-important wicket of Shravan. It's not going to be easy. This is an excellent shot there. He made it look so easy. Mid-off was inside the circle. Excellent 6. He'll be the 150 up as well.
Oh, that's nicely played. Very, very nicely played. Back-to-back 2 sixes. That is the acceleration what
Kamaruddin now from the far end. Excellent shot there. This time from Yuvan. He really creamed that. Excellent hit. Pick-up shot. Square leg was inside the circle. It wouldn't matter. Clean sixer here for Yuvan.
He tried to compensate. Look at him. Just smashed over square leg. Wonderful hitting. Very sensible hitting. Smart hitting. And explosive hitting by Yuvan.
Things are looking good for them. Sliced it over point. Excellent end to the over. A strong finish. 15 of it. It is 177 for 5.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Magnificent. Huge. And it went out of park.
Yeah, some ordinary stuff there from Sudarshan. Really now Munish complimenting Yuvan. Excellent catch there. So good to see. Once again, a clean strike. Another chance for him there. 2 back-to-back sixes here for Munish. He's checked in.
He's coming for Munish. Willow. They are good strikers. They are big strikers.
Is it 3? Yes, it is. Make it 3 in a row. A hat-trick of 6s. Excellent striking here from Munish. Sudarshan bearing the brunt.
Look at that. It was enough width. Went down on his one knee and smashed over covers for a GMR maximum. Back-to-back 3 GMR maximum.
In that stat there.
And picks up a wicket. Yuvan tried to smash it through covers but found the fielder. And a wicket goes down. He runs. Look at that. It was in the slot but could not get the leverage. Could not get the height. Straight to field.
Like this. Has he got enough? Yes, he has. So normal service resumes and finally the 200 up for the Bhimavaram Bulls. Manikanta here opting for the short ball and nicely into
wicket for a GMR maximum. Wonderful hitting by Munish. He is dealing in 6s. 3 in a row against Sudarshan and now 4th against Manikanta. Back to back. Oh, look at that. Another one. As I've been saying, he's dealing in 6s. Another GMR maximum. Let's use the pace of the ball. Look at that. And timed it to perfection. It is quite windy. And probably wind didn't carry it. It was a good batting by Munish.
Once again, sweeper covers brought inside the circle. Another ordinary delivery here. 214 is what they got after being put into bat. Much thanks.
If you look at the batting card of Bhimavaram Bulls, Himakar got out early, but Revant Reddy is faithful. Hemant Reddy got out early. That was a big blow, but then...
To the cleaners, 2 for 43. Anjana Yelu, none for 40. And the remaining bowlers really expensive. 49 and Manikanta, 53.
Is Bhuvaneshwar. Signs of aggression early on from Arjun.
He's just trying to power it on the offside. On the onside, risky shot, but that's gone the distance. What a shot that one. Amazing timing as well. GMR 6 coming to the blade of Arjun Tendulkar to the park with a lot of ease and efficiency.
That was some hit from Arjun Tendulkar. Just a flick of the wrist. A tinge of helicopter shot in that as well, and that sailed into the cow corner region. Gives the charge. Up and over. Couple of bounces. That's a 4. 10 in the first 3 deliveries. And the Kakinada Kings are making a statement here. Lovely shot. Shot of the afternoon. Tell me you've seen a better hit than that all day. Just backing himself, coming down the wicket and going over the bowler's head. And he moves on the offside and squeezes that one for another boundary. What an over this has turned out to be. It's been an Arjun Tendulkar show. 18 coming of over number 1.
Making his ground on the onside. That's Apesh, a man in the deep, and that's going to be a GMR 6. Getting his hands to it.
Sai Sathwik wasn't the greatest of deliveries, just stood up on the batter. And I reckon the mind of the fielder there. This one's been hit with some disdain, and it's out of here as well. That's the GMR maximum. Arjun Tendulkar's only dealing in boundaries.
Just down the pad line, but just the swing of the bat as well, and there she goes. It's gone the distance.
Cut away straight to the fielder. He strikes in his very first delivery, and that's what Raju can do. And Arjun's cameo comes to an end. The Kakinada Kings lose their first wicket.
With himself, yeah, Raju comes in, just slashing straight to the fielder there. Straightforward chance as well. No mistake made on the occasion.
Can't be bowling anything full. Oh, this one's close. This one's very close. The finger goes up. A double strike here for Satyanarayan and Raju. And he's broken the back of the top order of the Kakinada Kings. Easier, that's because a lovely delivery. Just felt that was the back of the hand delivery. And look how quick.
Once again, good connection. This time it's going to be a maximum. That's a lovely strike from Srikar Bharat. He was looking for that shot of the very first delivery as well. Fielders.
Yeah, this time in complete control of it was KS Bharat. Was much closer to him as well. Very quick on his feet. Went with that. Cut away in the gap. That's a lovely, very good looking hit from the bat of the skipper KS Bharat.
Time. On the onside. Straight to the fielder this time. But remember that first match they played Kakinada Kings. Yeah, this is the umpire's review. He's checking on the no ball. Well, the first landing. Now, some part has to be behind the line. That's a no ball. That's a no ball. Yeah, it's been given as well. The first landing, some part has to be behind.
That's been picked away, put away in style. And that's into the second tier as well.
Connection was really good. It's getting to the, got to the second tire there. What a shot.
Full delivery in the gap. That's 4. That's a very, very easy, juicy full toss being presented there by Raju, and Tapaswi says, thank you very much.
Kind of a situation. Tucked it on the leg side. Looks like it's in the gap and will go away for a boundary. This is very good chase from the Kakinada Kings and good hitting as well. Tapaswi targeting him. Strokes it this time on the offside. And that's going to be a maximum. Super hit here from Tapaswi.
Mid-off, look at that. Smashed off the mid-off for a maximum. Wonderful hitting by Tapaswi. He's come to the party as well. Bowling performance. Oh, and he cleans up. He cleans up Tapaswi of the first ball he bowls. That's a big blow. Tapaswi is a good striker of the ball.
Yeah, Monish on this occasion, fantastic day with the bat and now with the ball as well. Could you believe it? He's elated and... tries to loft that, didn't really connect that. Well, the fielders made a mess of that. He gives away a boundary on the last ball. This is something that you don't...
Oh, nicely played, beautifully played. Wonderful hitting by Bharat. Till Bharat is there, anything is possible. You know...
Oh, he lofts it again, this time inside out. and he's opened the face of the blade. KS Bharat, it looks like an intentional hit, and he's got it to perfection. Now moves into the 40s here.
Lovely hit inside out. That's out of here as well. Brings up his 50 in some fashion. And the chase is on here for the Kakinada Kings. They are putting on a fight and a show in the middle. Very good afternoon, Ajay
Century for KS Bharat as well with that strike. He's a quality batter of just 25 deliveries, and what a way to get to that half century. He's played really well, leading from the front here.
Important here. He skied this in the air, gets the leading edge. Fielder coming underneath, taken. Muni strikes. He's having a wonderful afternoon. Ravi Kiran has to depart. That's wicket number 4.
Trying to go up over the top as well. Leading edge went high up in the air as well, and that was neatly taken. Vamsi Krishna. Reverse. Nicely played as well. Switch hit once again. Another boundary here for Srikar Bharat. Boundary coming after 10 deliveries. But
The spinner. Beg your pardon, the leg spinner. That's been picked up. And that goes the distance as well. He's in a daring mood, KS Bharat. And anything full, anything...
over the fielder. Another maximum. Well, he is dealing in sixes. Glorious shot, that one. Majestic shot. The 5th 6 for him.
So much of elegance. A touch of class here. Shown by Srikar Bharat. Just presenting the full face of the bat. Didn't try to overhit it. Just timed it.
Back to live action. And once again in the air. Opportunity there. Fielder coming and takes that one. Shravan, he strikes. And Manish has got to go back. But Srikar Bharat was not happy with that shot that he played. The side now. The 5th wicket falling for the Kakinada Kings.
Yeah, very ordinary hit. Just threw it away there. G. Manish. This man's having a great day as well.
On the onside. And straight to the fielder as well. Straight to the fielder. And that's the wicket they wanted. Yes, Bharat has to go back. Satyanarayan Raju was the fielder. He's a very safe pair of hands, and that's the reason it was very fine innings coming to an end from the skipper. And that's the wicket they wanted. Yeah, he's delighted. He's pepped up. He knows the importance of that wicket. They are celebrating.
Kings. They started off well, and once again a neat hit here. This time from Surya. Just erring in the length and neatly clipped for a 6-over mid-wicket.
Surya has to be the aggressor because he's been there for quite some time. Saw his captain perform as well. Lakers will require some time to get into 27. It's definitely gettable. Another one here incoming. Fielder watches it. Only sail over the cushions. Another 6 in this match here. He's got in 2 in 2.
Fence. Not really got enough on it, did Surya. He was really felt dicey there. Look there. He was clearly inside the rope and eventually had to put that dive out.
First ball. And he's packed that for a maximum. Straight up and over. That's the way to go about it. And that's the way you'll only be able to chase these.
Short fine leg inside the circle. Really an error in judgment there from Raju. 1. Cleaned him up. The Yorker doing the trick now for the Bhimavaram Bulls. 7th wicket down, and it is from the left arm spin of C.H. Siva.
In the coffin. Almost done and dusted. It is a final finish. There is still Lakers waiting on the other side. Kamaruddin. Oh, wait. Hang on. There's a fielder watching it. The captain tries to get there. Just a little too much.
Yeah, pumps it straight down the ground. No fielder there. Nice effort there by the skipper.
Now this time he connects really well, and this is massive into the second tier. Finally finishing this over off with a 6.
Nice hit here from Lakers. He'll really need to probably take a single of the last delivery and try and be on strike.
Tries to connect that. This is brilliant bowling. It's taken a ricochet of PVS and Raju's hand onto the stumps, and maybe Kamaruddin will be given out. Let's have a look at that.
That there is a connection, just making sure that there's a connection with the hand and the ball there. PVS and Raju sticking out that left hand of his, just about touching that mitt. And Kamruddin there backing up too far ahead, and it's such a huge moment in this chase. Lakers won't be on strike, and that's the decision. Kamruddin backed up too far. He'll have to return to the pavilion dejected. And is that curtains for the Kakinada Kings?
Once.
Easier because of this. Kamruddin there backing up.
Finger goes up. That should be done. That should be a finish. And there it is, the main man.
In that playoffs position for the Bulls. What a time to bowl this Yorker by Bhuvaneshwar. Lakers ready, wanted to go for the big one.
Once the last one, this is definitely going down leg. Chance for a run out at least. Half-hearted appeal. Direct it, hang on. They're all gone for it. Probably just looked like he was in the nick of time.
Throwing stumps down at the non-striker's end. And yes, Sudarshan will have to return. And it means there'll be game, set and match for the Bhimavaram Bulls.
You have to give him credits for that. He has been given out already. And Bhimavaram Bulls win by 27 runs as they head into the playoffs. Lone Warrior who fought really well. 76 of 40 deliveries. Some handy contributions did come in from Surya and Lakers Reddy, but they were not enough because there was a huge total.
Last over, excellent. But the star was PVS and Raju. Excellent spell for him, 2 for 33. CH Siva as well.
Bhimavaram Bulls set up 214 and then Kakinada Kings couldn't really chase that. The Bulls win by 27 runs and guess what? They're into the playoffs. That's exactly what